What are the canola oil processing machines and canola oil processing technology? The rapeseed oil production line generally has pretreatment equipment, oil pressing equipment, refining equipment, and so on. Pretreatment equipment includes cleaning, screening, crushing, rolling, and other equipment. Oil pressing equipment includes pressing, bleaching equipment, etc. Refining equipment includes vacuuming, deacidification, decolorization, deodorization, and other equipment. It should be noted that the processing process and equipment of rapeseed oil will vary depending on the production scale and product requirements. At the same time, in the processing process, need to strictly control the temperature, pressure, time, and other factors to ensure the quality of oil. Refining, vacuuming, deacidification, decolorization, deodorization, and other treatment of crude oil or mixed oil to improve the quality and stability of oil.